In this video, I will show you how to contact someone by username in WhatsApp. First thing that you need to know is WhatsApp has still not completely released the username feature. Just the registration for username has started. So for now, you cannot already contact someone by username. But once it's released, what you can do is go to WhatsApp. Then in the bottom right corner, you will see this green icon for new chat. Simply click on it. Here in the search bar, simply search for the username. Make sure to type full and exact username to find someone. Here you can see no result is found, but once WhatsApp releases all of its feature, you will be able to find the username if the person is registered here. You can simply click on their username, and if the user has set up any username key, you'll have to type out the username key. Then you'll be able to chat with the person. However, you will not need any username key if you already have their phone number saved, or if you have previously chatted with them, or if you are in a shared group with them, or if you scan their QR, and lastly, if they messaged you first. And that's it. That's how you can contact someone using their username in WhatsApp. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.